Hi there, I'm Sharon Tinberg with Clean Smart Academy. Welcome or welcome back, and thanks for following me. Today's subject is: has working on your business and not in it gone too far? You've probably heard this advice that if you keep working in your business and not on it, you'll never grow. And there's a lot of truth to that statement, especially if you're an owner, you've been a cleaner, you know cleaning inside and out. And it's a struggle, a definite struggle to step away from that cleaning and spend 100% of your time on admin because you feel so safe when you're out there in the field cleaning. Somebody calls off, the easy solution to you is get out in that field and take their place because you feel safe, you feel comfortable, and you know you're the very best out there. But over time, you make the shift. You build a team, you create processes, and you actually get to the point where you don't have to clean anymore. As a matter of fact, not even in a pinch. At this point, you'd probably cancel or skip a client before you would ever go out there and clean a house again. You've made great progress. And you should be so very, very proud of that because only 1 out of 5 get to that point. But here's the question I want to ask: has working on your business and not in it gone too far? What I am seeing from working with hundreds of owners over 17 years is once they pull out of working in the business, they never look back again. They're so proud of being where they are, and they should be, as I said before. That is a huge accomplishment. But here's the problem: there's a huge difference between working in it and looking in it. When I ask specific questions about actual cleaning processes, when I speak to owners, not scheduling, not marketing, not billing, but about their cleaning process, something specific like when exactly do you clean the bathroom door? Most of the time I get an answer like, I don't know, I don't work out there anymore. You'd have to ask my operations manager that. And they say that very proudly because they're proud of the fact that they don't know that much detail in the cleaning area because they're working on their business and not in it. Or the other response I get is, well, they get it when they're walking out the door. And my next question is, how? If the last thing they do is mop and you were smart enough to leave the supplies outside the door before you started mopping, which the average company doesn't do, so they have a mop in one hand and the supplies bucket in the other when they're walking out, so both hands are full. But even if you only have a mop in one hand, I guess you could set the mop down, you could keep one towel in your apron while doing the floor and take that towel out and clean the doorknob and then go out the door. You can't do that. There's a much better, faster, more efficient way to catch that door, and be assured you catch it every single time because it truly is built into your process. So here's why I see a double standard here and why I'm oftentimes confused as to why an owner cannot give me a specific answer to that question. Those same answers when I ask them a question about marketing and they have a marketing manager, maybe something very detailed about like Google Analytics, or how does your CRM handle life cycle automation? Specifically, how do you trigger a nurture campaign when a lead has moved from an estimate requested to an estimate completed if they don't book right away? Yes, I had to read part of that question because it's a difficult question to ask for me, but you all could give me a specific answer. I know that. I've received them from you. You can tell me everything right down to the click rate. But again, you have a marketing department, but you know that process. You feel like it's your responsibility to know that because that's how you grow your business. But why don't you feel the same way about the cleaning process? the core service that you're actually selling. You trust your managers to handle that entirely without ever really checking to see if their process is still strong, still consistent, and producing the level of quality that you're looking for, that it covers that bathroom door. Because the reality is, your cleaning process is your product. It's the thing your customers are paying for. And if you aren't looking at it with the same attention you give to your billing or your marketing, you're putting your business at risk. So I challenge you, take a hard look at your cleaning process. Is there a clear, documented, repeatable system in place? Could you explain to me the same way you could explain your marketing strategy, your process? If not, perhaps it's time to change that. If you're ready to take a real look inside your business, not just the numbers, but at the actual work your teams are doing, I'd love to help you. My training system doesn't just teach cleaners, it gives owners the tools to truly understand, document, and control your cleaning process, just like you would with every other aspect of your business. Contact us for a demo or go to our website and order the free trial. And let's make sure the thing you're actually selling, your cleaning, is just as strong and scalable as every other part of your business. Hope to see you soon, and until then, happy trading.